Coming up on today's episode of Technoid, the iPhone 9 lineup just got a whole lot different, and it could be pretty cool. Apple also accidentally released the iPad Pro spec-wise on their website by accident, and Samsung is canceling a gaming service that we kind of really never knew about, though it is probably for the better that they canceled it. All of that on today's episode, so stay tuned. What's happening, everybody? Michael here. Welcome back to Technoid. Hope you guys are doing excellent, guys. I know the circumstances are a little bit rough again, but you know what? We're gonna just ignore it for once. You know what? Let's just kill it and just have a fun episode. So welcome back, everybody. I hope you're enjoying today. Let's get the news going. So story number 11, let's kick it up with Apper. Remember that hashtag Apper 2020. Let's get that hashtag going. Hashtag Apper 2020. Let's do it. All right, story number 1, let's kick it up. So Apple accidentally leaked the iPad Pro 2020 with a little bit of names on their website. Now, they didn't officially leak it, they didn't officially release it, but it is a sign that the iPad Pro is coming soon, and it's gonna be coming pretty fast. So the names and the serial numbers are all listed, as you can see, and while it doesn't give us much, it does show that there is a regular, and cellular for both variants. And also considering that they're going to retain the same size, makes all the more sense. Now, this kind of lines up with what Apple is kind of doing in the hint of, you know, what is happening. They basically just kind of want to release small things, although I don't think the market is truly ready for anything. They're more worried about, you know, something else than buying a product like the iPad. And considering all the stores are closed, you really can't get it in stores. You're gonna have to order it online anyway. But in a way, Apple is just doing this to kind of make up for the March event by releasing products on a website refresh or just releasing them in the press event, just like the Powerbeats 4. Remember, I had said those are official images. That was our sign. So we'll see what happens from going forward. I think this week we're supposed to probably get some more Apple products, but we'll see what comes. Next story, continuing with Apper, let's go on to the iPhone 9. Now, the iPhone 9 rumors, it was supposed to come out, but due to some, circumstances, it has been pushed back and delayed. But things just got a whole lot different because somebody found in iOS 13 codes that there is a second iPhone 9 variant that is going to be added alongside of the standard iPhone 9. Now, originally we were all under the impression it was going to be one device, an entry-level device that would be $399. Well, this device is basically the Plus model. So on top of the iPhone 9 being the 4.7-inch display, you will now have the Plus variant. Now, I am a little bit confused as to why Apple can't just decide which is the right size for people. Maybe because they want to get more customers, more adding assets and things like that. But in all honesty, two variants of the SE, the iPhone 9, whatever they're going to call this thing, it does make a lot of sense. Gives more leisure for people that want to come into Apple but don't want to break the bank. You get a nice display, you get Touch ID, definitely no headphone jack. I definitely do not think they're ever going to add that back on. But the iPhone 9 and now the 9 Plus, whatever this version is going to be, these are your entry-level devices, and they're supposed to be coming in the same time. Now, we don't know exactly what time frame they're going to come, but whatever happens, I'm actually very interested now. Now, this just got a little bit better, because if you didn't think that the smaller iPhone was a good one, this is going to be better. And I also think I know why they're doing this. It's because Google Pixel 4a is going to be priced at $399. So you need a second model if you want to up your sales, because considering that I already said it will be the best Android of 2020, the Google Pixel 4a, and whether, Sam, you disagree with me or not, we could do it. We can go clash back at it. But the point is this. Apple wants to outbeat Google by adding this second model, and it makes a lot of sense. So I'm not surprised by this, and I'm very intrigued. So I definitely hope we can see this device somewhere down the road once everything clears. And last story up of the day, let's go Samsung. So Samsung kind of had this weird gaming service we never really knew about. Well, this gaming service is shutting down on March 27th. Now, the reason why I say nobody's heard about it is because I don't remember them ever talking about it. It was a PC to mobile game service where you could play games from the PC, send it to your phone. It was basically what Microsoft, Xbox are doing, but with the partnership with Microsoft, you have access to Xbox games, and I guess that's probably another reason why they're also abandoning this. But the real main reason is because nobody really cares about that. Nobody knows what it was. So it makes sense to give up on something that just isn't working. Bixby. But again, I digress. And last story up, I want to give a quick update on Bixby. Yeah, I gave up on that. I tried it for like one day and then I just gave up on it. But I'll give another video and explain why I did that. And that's it for today's episode of Technoid. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button. If you disliked the video or just hate what I do on this channel, hit that dislike button. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, this is my last video for the week due to, again, as you saw in my previous live stream, I said what's going on. So I'm going to take some time off. I'll be back next week. And on Monday, I will have the Galaxy Bud Plus review. That will be the first upload. So guys, I hope you're looking forward to it. Thank you so much for watching and peace!